up. Now we need to fill it. Timber loader. Look at the color of the tank cap and choose the refueling gun of the same color. Press the pump. Now you try. Ready. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Keep it up. We did it! First, we need to assemble. Hydraulic hammer. We did it! Filling. Hydraulic hammer. Press the pump. Ready. Let's crack the biggest rocks. Now we need to wash it clean. Hydraulic hammer. We did it! First, we need to assemble. Bulldozer. You're doing really great. Filling. Bulldozer. Press the pump. Hooray! We need to prepare everything for the digging machine. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Don't stop. We did it. First, we need to assemble. Excavator. Amazing. Now we need to fill it. Excavator. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's dig a pit. to wash. Excavator. You're doing really great. We have to assemble. Dumper. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Dumper. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's make a sand blanket. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Hooray! You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Tamper. Amazing! First we have to fill it. Tamper. Press the pump. Done! Let's firm sand up. Let's wash. Tamper. First, we need to assemble. Auger. Amazing! First, we have to fill it. Auger. Press the pump. Ready. Let's create holes for piles. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Hooray! You're doing really great. We have to assemble pile driver. First, we have to fill it. Pile driver. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's drive the piles for the foundation. Let's wash. Pile driver. We have to assemble drop side truck. Amazing! Filling drop side truck. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's prepare for the concrete pouring. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Ready. You're doing really great. We have to assemble cement mixer. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Cement mixer. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's put concrete for the foundation. to wash. Cement mixer. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Done. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's build a frame. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Amazing! We did it! First, we need to assemble. Crane truck. Filling. Crane truck. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's install the roof.